हेलो फ्रेंड, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम जानेंगे बीएनएमयू एमएड एंट्रेंस के प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन के बारे में। यह क्वेश्चन 2022 का है। इसके आंसर सामने में लिखे हुए हैं। अधिकांश क्वेश्चंस के आंसर सही हैं। हो सकता है कुछ गलत हो तो आप खुद से मिला लीजिएगा। चलिए देखते हैं शुरू से। Who said plants are developed by cultivation and manned by एजुकेशन? पौधे कृषि कार्य द्वारा विकसित होते हैं और मनुष्य शिक्षा द्वारा। कथन है, किसने कहा था? रूसो। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, वेयर गौतम बुद्ध हैड गॉट निर्वाण? गौतम बुद्ध को निर्वाण की प्राप्ति कहाँ हुई थी? कुशीनगर, उत्तर प्रदेश में। पर्सनैलिटी इज रिटेन बाय पैथोलॉजी। नॉलेज इज वर्च्यू हैज बीन सेड बाय सोक्रात। The idea of kindergarten originated in Germany. What was the medium of Buddhist education? Pali. Next question है, the other name of basic education is Vardha Shiksha Yojana. Next, who was the author of Das Kapital? Karl Marx. Whose epic is Tripitaka? Buddhist. Which of the following is Islamic Center for Higher Education? Madrasa. Who has led the Sarvodaya movement? Vinoba Bhave. All are equal before law. This provision is declared under which of the following article? Article 14. Next question है, through which of the following constitution amendment the word socialist is added to the preamble? 42 amendment. Article 36 to 51 of the Constitution of India deals with directive principle of state policies. A special provision for SC/ST group is made under the Article 46. What does growth indicate in biological system? Increase in size and mass of particular organism. Next question है, question number 17. Which age group children can tell the difference between fact and fiction? 5 to 7 years. Next, growth of a child is mainly related to physical development. What were the process of cognitive development according to Piaget, Jean Piaget? Assimilation and development. How many stages of moral development are there in Kohlberg stages? There are 6. Education was put in concurrent list through which constitutional amendment? 42th. Next question है, the concept of reinforcement and behavior modification was given by Skinner. In language learning, associating words with picture or meaning is an example of classical conditioning. It's an example of classical conditioning. The experimental learning style theory is put forth by Call. Blank proposed that learning can happen. Who proposed that learning can happen by observing others? या किसने प्रस्तावित किया कि सीखना दूसरों को देखने से हो सकता है? बंडूरा। टू थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स इज हट के सोचना। यह कैसा थिंकिंग है? डाइवर्जेंट थिंकिंग। Which law states that learning can only take place when a student is ready to learn? Readiness. Next question है 28. When a modifiable connection is not made between a situation and response, the connection strength decreases. This is called law of exercise. All birds have feathers. Pigeon has feathers. This type of reasoning is called inductive reasoning. According to Thorndike, the trial and error method of learning is incremental. वृद्धिशील विधि है सीखने की. What does divergent thinking test? अपसारी चिंतन क्या परीक्षण करता है? Uniqueness of an individual, एक व्यक्ति की विशिष्टता. Which psychologist worked on operant conditioning? Skinner. Next question 33. Which psychologist worked on classical conditioning? Pavlov. Question 34. Who developed the technique of brainstorming? Alex Osborne. Skinner's proposition comes under which approach? Personological, व्यक्तित्व अध्ययन में आता है. Bandura theory is based on the which of the following? Self-efficacy. Parents should play a role in learning process of young children. Parents should play a proactive role in learning process of young children. Principle of reinforcement is associated with Skinner. Presence of identical elements between already learned skill and new skill result is positive transfer. Question number 40. Conceptual understanding among students is likely to improve in the setting which emphasizes on inquiry and dialogue. Which of the following belief is good for learning? Ability is improvable. Permanent changes in behavior with practice is called learning. व्यवहार में होने वाले अस्थायी परिवर्तन जो अभ्यास के कारण होते हैं को कहा जाता है सीखना. Pavlov had profound the conditional response theory of learning by conducting experiment on conditioned response theory. Pavlov ने एक्सप्लेन किया था, किस पर प्रयोग किया था? डॉग, कुत्ते पर. Which of the following does not help in child learning? Social web. Question number 45. Development has same relation with maturity as a stimulus with response. Next, application of knowledge as skill or subject learned in other situation is known as transfer of learning. Next, copying of external behavior of an other individual is imitation. Field theory's contribution of Gestalt. Mirror drawing test is used to measure which of the following: learning. Next, Albert Bandura is associated with which of the following cognitive development theory? In which of the following a skill testing of previous knowledge comes? A skill of introduction. Next, learning is any change in behavior resulting from behavior. Who said it? Woodworth. The response which are followed by satisfying after effects tends to be learned is law of effect. जिन प्रतिक्रियाओं को सीखने के उपरांत संतुष्टि प्राप्त होती है उन्हें सीख लिया जाता है, यह है प्रभाव का नियम. The first satellite for serving the education sector is EduSat. Computer software means a set of instruction. Next question. Monitor of TV screen is also known as video, visual display unit. What is the meaning of professional development? Overall competencies development, समग्र दक्षताओं का विकास. What cannot be replaced by ICT? Option A, teachers motivation. Which of the following is not part of communication? Option A, definition. Questions number 60. M learning stands for mobile learning. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. Who is the father of ultimate computer? Dr. Vijay Bharkar. The first teaching machine was invented by L. Preishy. Microcomputer is the lowest end of computer range in terms of speed and storage capacity. Arithmetic logic unit and control unit of computer system are jointly called central processing unit. Next question. First stage of macro teaching cycle is planning. सूक्ष्म शिक्षण चक्र का प्रथम पद होता है योजना बनाना. Which of the following is not the level of teaching? Descriptive वर्णन. A statement of knowledge of a skill that a student should master after instruction is known as an instructional objectives. Which country has the largest internet users? China. LAN stands for local area network. 71. The period of second generation computer was 1956 to 1960. इसमें ऑप्शन में एरर है तो फॉर प्रोबेबल आंसर 1959 to 1964. Which one of the following is not an accepted feature of evaluation tool? Subjectivity. Which psychologist gave the three domains of learning? Which psychologist gave the three domains of learning? Bloom. Evaluation is highest stage of the knowledge under which domain? Cognitive. Which type of test material require a student to select, organize and integrate information before they can write? Essay type. Evaluation that monitors the learning progress during teaching is formative. In which year Bloom taxonomy created? 1956. Which of the following are qualities of good test? Reliability, validity, objectivity, all of this. Multiple choice test is an example of convergent thinking, Avisari shows. An assessment should focus on improving teaching learning process. One of the following is not a formative assessment, grading a student. What is diagnostic assessment? नैदानिक मूल्यांकन. Assessment for learning, अधिगम के लिए मूल्यांकन. Match the following, fill in the blanks are example of. ये क्वेश्चन में स्प्रिंट है, इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं तो मिलेंगे क्या. मैच द फॉलोइंग, डाइवर्जेंट थिंकिंग. मैच द फ्लोइंग, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ. Oh, sorry. सही. मैच द फ्लोइंग एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आर एग्जाम्पल. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, उसको बोल रहा है कि ये कौन से थिंकिंग का एग्जाम्पल. सॉरी. मैच द फ्लोइंग, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ डाइवर्जेंट थिंकिंग. अब सारी चिंता बिल्कुल ठीक, सही. Which of the following is not a domain of learning, a spiritual? Which domain is also called as a cognitive domain of learning, psychomotor domain? Which of the following is not associated with creativity, economy? A student of disadvantaged group should be taught along with the normal student. It implied inclusive education. Rehabilitation Council of India is established for which purpose? एजुकेशन ऑफ पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी, PWD कैंडिडेट्स के लिए. नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ऑर्थोपेडिकली हैंडीकैप्ड इज सिचुएटेड इन कोलकाता. राष्ट्रीय अस्थि विकलांग संस्थान कोलकाता. सक्सेसफुल इंक्लूजन नीड्स सेंसिटाइजेशन, संवेदनशीलता. In an inclusive classroom, information should be presented in multiple forms. As per RTE Act 2009, what should be the teacher pupil ratio at upper primary age? 1:35. In the teacher-centered approach of education, discipline is imposed. What minimum number of working days have been prescribed by RTE Act 2009 for class 6 to 8? 220 working day out of 365. Article 21A made right to education of fundamental right for children between 6 to 14 years. 97 question. The Lev school advocated by John Dewey were example of progressive school. Full form of NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Learning without burden is a basic concept related to National Council of Education, Research and Training. Which university was set up following Wood Dispatch? कोलकाता. इस तरीके से 2022 के एमएड एंट्रेंस का 100 क्वेश्चन को हम लोगों ने देखा. यह देखने के बाद एक आइडिया आ जाएगा कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम में एमएड में पूछे जाते हैं. हो सकता है किसी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर सटीक ना हो तो खुद भी आप ला सकते हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।